Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a gluten-free chocolate ganache cake. So if you saw my mom in the comments, every week she always writes, make something gluten-free because my mom is allergic to gluten, so she's really excited to finally be able to eat something that I bake. So I'm making a gluten-free chocolate cake so that if any of you are allergic to gluten, you could eat this delicious cake too. And also, if you're wondering why I didn't post last week, that's because I had midterms the past week for school, and those are really important tests. So I was actually prepared and ready to make this video last weekend, but then I just got slammed with review sheets to make and just like studying for midterms, and I was just like, I just can't do this all, so I just put this video off for a week and I'm making it now. So don't worry, it's not because I was lazy or something. Like I'm not lazy. I would have definitely posted this video if I had the time, but I just really did not have the time. But anyways, let's just get started. So first we're going to make the cake part because we're also going to be making a ganache. So you'll need 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, half a cup of unsalted butter or 1 stick. So this is my mom's organic sugar that she wanted to use instead of regular white sugar, but the recipe calls for a 3/4 cup of granulated white sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 large eggs, and half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. So now take your chocolate chips and your butter and put that into a microwave safe bowl, and you're going to put this in the microwave and you're going to melt it until the butter is completely melted and the chocolate chips are soft. This took me about a minute. Then take it out of the microwave and just start stirring it with a spoon or a spatula, whatever you'd like, and just get it all combined. So now I just transferred my butter and chocolate mixture into a bigger mixing bowl, and I poured in my sugar and salt and vanilla, and then we're just going to mix that in. So now just pour in your eggs and you're going to beat that until it's smooth. So I just used a hand whisk because beating eggs is pretty easy to do by hand, but if you want to use an electric mixer, that's okay too. Finally, just pour in your cocoa powder and you're just going to mix that in until it's all smooth and combined. So now grease an 8-inch round cake pan, and before you put the batter in, make sure that you cut out a circle piece of parchment paper and put it on the bottom of the pan so that the cake doesn't stick to the bottom. And then you're going to bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes, and you'll know it's ready because the top will have formed a thin crust. So now while our cake is baking in the oven, we're going to start making the ganache. So here I have 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and half a cup of heavy cream, and I'm going to heat this in the microwave for about like 30 seconds to a minute until the chocolate chips get soft and the heavy cream gets hot. Now just take a spatula and stir the chocolate chips and the heavy cream together until it's nice and smooth and combined. So you want to let your cake completely cool before taking it out of the pan, and when you take it out of the pan, you flip it upside down, and be careful because as you can see, mine broke a little bit. This cake is very crumbly because it is gluten-free. And also, you want to start spreading your ganache all over the cake. And then I just put my cake into the fridge to let the ganache set over the cake, and then just leave it in the fridge for a few hours, and then you could dig in and start eating it. And this is the beautiful finished gluten-free chocolate ganache cake. And so to make mine more aesthetically pleasing, I put some powdered sugar and a strawberry on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below what else you think I should bake in the future, and if you want to see me bake any more gluten-free stuff, let me know. And also my social medias are in the description, so go follow me. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!